I absolutely had a blast filming this video. I love filming alcohol stoves. So if you guys have any interest in watching these stoves go head to head, boiling 1 to 2 cups of ice cold water, please leave a comment in the description below. I have a couple of ultralight titanium cook pots that I can use for the next video. And if you guys are interested in that, please leave a comment below. I would love to shoot that video for you. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the end of this video. Now, which stove would you guys choose? Leave a comment down below and tell me which one you'd prefer to cook with.